Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Electro Circuit Boy and today I am here with another electronic gate tutorial. But before starting today's video, I would recommend to see my previous two videos where I have explained about AND gates and OR gates. You can check the link from the description below. In today's video, I will say you about NOT gate. So what is NOT gate? NOT gate is the basic logical gate that just inverts the given input. That means if the input is high, then the output will be low, and if the input is low, then the output will be high. Now the most common NOT gate IC is IC7404. This is the pin diagram of IC7404. It has 14 pins, out of which the 14th pin and the 7th pin is a 5V VCC and ground respectively. It has 6 individual NOT gate. Pin 1 is the input to the first NOT gate and second is the output from the first NOT gate. Third is the input to the second NOT gate and fourth is the output from the second NOT gate. Fifth is the input to the third NOT gate and sixth is the output from the third NOT gate. Ninth is the input to the fourth NOT gate and eighth is the output from the fourth or NOT gate. Pin 11 is the input to the fifth NOT gate and 10th is the output from the fifth NOT gate. 13th is the input to the 6th NOT gate and 12th is the output from the 6th NOT gate. Now you've learned about the NOT gate and seen its IC pin diagram. So now I will show you the truth table of NOT gate and side by side I will experimentally do it. So as you can see, I've already placed my NOT gate IC into the breadboard and I've also powered it up. To see the output, we will need one LED. Make sure that the longer part of the LED should be connected to the second pin of the IC and shorter to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now I have connected my LED to the second pin of the IC. Now according to the truth table, if my input is high, then my output will be low. Let's check it. You will see that the LED is not glowing, that means my output is low. Now according to the second set of the input, if my input is low, then my output will be high. Let's check it. You see that the LED is glowing, that means my output is high. So this was my video on NOT gate. Hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share and subscribe